Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make notes look good. First, always use clear headings and subheadings to organize your thoughts effectively. This helps create a logical flow. Next, employ bullet points or numbered lists for easy readability and quick scanning of information. Finally, remember to leave ample white space around your text. This prevents visual clutter and makes your notes much easier on the eyes. To make your notes truly stand out, focus on visual appeal. Incorporate different colors to highlight key information and categorize topics. For instance, use one color for main points and another for examples. Also, don't hesitate to utilize simple diagrams or sketches. A picture can explain complex concepts better than many words. Lastly, vary font sizes and styles for emphasis, but do so sparingly to maintain a clean look. Beyond aesthetics, effective content is crucial. Always summarize main ideas in your own words. This ensures you truly understand the material, not just copy it. To save time during lectures or meetings, use abbreviations and symbols consistently. Create a personal system that makes sense to you. Most importantly, regularly review your notes. This active recall reinforces learning and significantly improves your memory retention over time. For more advanced techniques, consider trying the Cornell method, which structures your notes for easy review and summarization. Also, create a personal legend for any symbols or color codes you frequently use. This ensures consistency and quick understanding. And speaking of staying organized and healthy, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. You can find a link to a great water bottle, along with other helpful deals, in the description below. Keep practicing these tips for beautiful and effective notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.